Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to convert TikTok posts to QR code. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here to open my TikTok app. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Then it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to select the post that you want to convert to QR code. Having selected the post, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the bottom right here. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on QR code. With that, your QR code is going to be present right here, and you can simply screenshot the QR code or download the QR code, or you can share the QR code on WhatsApp or on Messenger or on Facebook. Anybody who scans this QR code will automatically watch the TikTok video. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to convert your TikTok post to QR code. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about TikTok topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.